Hi, I'm Mark Bredewig from Quality Edge. We're inside our test deck to show you a new product. Our new drip edge works by hooking over itself. So it grabs the lower hem here, which is open, pivots over itself. We go over top of the bottom, grab it, pivot over, and it nests perfectly together. How does this get applied to the roof deck? I'll show you right now. So code requires a 2-inch overlap, and it's easily achieved with this product by doing this. So you're going to want to just grab the lower kick, make sure we got 2 inches, pull it up, over, and install. With this drip edge being allowed to overlap easily, you don't have to notch or do any pre-work to get it to look the same every time. So this should save a lot of time for the installer by simply hooking it on. So we also have another product called pre-notch drip edge. So what this does is it's notched ahead of time so you can overlap itself without doing any work as well. So what makes our pre-notch different than our new snap lock is how it goes together. So pre-notch is just notched ahead of time so it can overlay and nest. What makes this different than pre-notch is how it hooks together. So we get the bottom hem and we hook it and we rotate it over itself. So it holds itself here on the bottom, and when you nail it down on the top, it retains the top, and it keeps it from having little to no fish mouthing. Most methods that contractors use today which do not meet code is they'll just notch the edges of the drip edge, and they'll overlap it like so to try to keep a minimum of fish mouthing and gapping. But that does not meet code. Or they'll take the entire piece and just shove it over itself 2 inches and try to get it to nest. And because of the shape and interference, you usually can't get it to look very good at all. With the addition of pre-notch, by just nesting over itself, you get a better look. And with the even added advantage of hooking over itself, you get the best look and the easiest installation. This drip edge has another method of installation. So you can just overlap it, it's not hooked yet, and you can just grab and pinch the bottom hem and get it to snap over itself. And again, it's holding itself together so it doesn't bow or flare out or fish mouth.